These affirmations are specifically designed to reprogram your subconscious mind. You can listen to them anytime during the day or night. Even if your mind starts to drift, they will continue to subconsciously penetrate the mind and unlock your potential to become the best version of you. Repeat daily for a minimum of 21 days, and abundance will show up in each aspect of your life. Now relax and allow these affirmations to become a part of you. I am a magnet for abundance and prosperity. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. I am worthy of financial success. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I am attracting opportunities for financial growth. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am deserving of a rich and fulfilling life. I am financially free and empowered. I am a powerful creator of my own wealth. I am surrounded by opportunities to increase my wealth. I am confident in my ability to create wealth. I am living a life of abundance and joy. I am open to receiving money in unexpected ways. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I am constantly attracting prosperity and success. I am financially secure and stable. I am grateful for the abundance that is already in my life. I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life effortlessly. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer. I am open to the flow of prosperity into my life. I am financially successful and my wealth is growing every day. I am a natural at attracting wealth and abundance. I am free from limiting beliefs about money. I am in harmony with the energy of money. I am capable of achieving financial freedom. I am worthy of having financial abundance in my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am attracting financial opportunities that bring wealth. I am a money magnet and prosperity flows to me. I am grateful for the financial blessings I receive. I am open to new and exciting sources of income. I am financially abundant and I share my wealth with others. I am successful in all that I do. I am constantly attracting wealth and abundance into my life. I am grateful for the money that comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of being financially prosperous. I am confident in my ability to create unlimited wealth. I am attracting a constant flow of money into my life. I am surrounded by wealth and abundance. I am worthy of financial abundance and success. I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me every day. I am open to receiving all the wealth life has to offer. I am financially free and living a life of abundance. I am aligned with the vibration of wealth and prosperity. I am attracting